Imagine the unimaginable. Below the waves, in the crushing dark, a secret too big for the world to handle. For centuries, the ocean has hidden its true depths. But what if the darkness conceals more than just depth? Below the surface, something impossible lurks. A mass so vast, it defies biology. A creature bigger than any country. Sonar pings register shapes that shouldn't exist. Fleeting glimpses that challenge everything we know about scale and life. The abyss, a place of eternal night, is the largest unexplored habitat on Earth. A realm where pressure would crush any human, but something thrives. We've charted less than 5% of the ocean floor. That leaves millions of square miles for anything, no matter how immense, to hide. To grasp the scale, consider this. The creature is theorized to span distances that rival entire nations. Imagine a biological mass larger than China. From ancient myths of colossal sea serpents to modern seismic readings that defy geological explanation, the hints of this behemoth are scattered across history and science. How could such a creature evolve? We must look beyond conventional biology to understand the mechanics of this megastructure of life. The energy demands alone would be staggering. Scientists speculate on a slow, cold metabolism, utilizing deep-sea hydrothermal vents or even chemosynthesis on a planetary scale. This creature likely resides in the permanent darkness below the deep scattering layer, utilizing immense camouflage and slow, deliberate movements to remain completely undetected. And then there's the bloop, an ultra-low frequency sound recorded in 1997. Too loud, too big, and too low frequency to be any known animal. Was it the voice of the Colossus? The evidence is indirect, based on fear, and calculated on an impossible scale, but the numbers don't lie. Deep-sea submersibles have occasionally captured images of gargantuan trenches and trails on the abyssal plain, tracks that dwarf any known geological or biological formation. To visualize its theoretical size, imagine this creature's silhouette stretching across the map of the world. It's a shadow cast over entire continents. What does a creature of this size eat? Perhaps it doesn't need to hunt, merely exists, filtering or consuming vast portions of the ocean's biomass, acting as the true apex predator. We descend now, past the sunlight, past the crushing zone, into the final void where only the greatest mysteries reside. The pressure mounts, the temperature drops to near freezing, and every known life form fades away. Only the ambient, silent hum of the abyss remains. Then, a change in the water, a slight disturbance, a structure passing in the peripheral vision, something biological yet far too immense to comprehend. Understand this. The deepest parts of the ocean don't hold secrets, they hold rulers, entities that govern this planet long before us. The true scale of the creature reminds us of our own insignificance in the cosmic scale of biology. It is the boundary of our knowledge. When we gaze into the abyss, we only see the shadow of what is truly looking back.